It says God's name is not mentioned in the Megillat Esther, not once. However, when Esther and Mordechai decided to put the 9-year story into one scroll, into one Megillah, you don't stop seeing God in it. It's all God behind it. You see how all this, it was just a sequence of events which are connected to each other, which are done by Hashem. You see God's hands very clearly. At the point the Jewish people deserved extermination and punishment, at that same point, God already began preparing the salvation of the Jewish people, providing they would do teshuvah. At that point, the Jewish people sat and enjoyed that meal of Achashverosh and tried to forget about the sanctuary and about redemption. At that point, Achashverosh decides to kill his wife. And we know what it led to, bringing Esther into the palace. But the end story is, if you put all these chapters together, you see how God was behind everything. Our problem in life is that we don't take those chapters and put them together. We look at every incident as something independent on its own, and therefore we find it hard to see God behind it. But when you put things together, and that's our job, willingly, no one tells us to do it, you put it together, that's when we end up seeing God's hands clearly, and we start choosing out of love to serve Hashem. And that's what Purim is about.